We often think of intelligence as a singular trait, but in reality, it comes in many forms. Let's delve into the various types of intelligence and see how they shape our unique capabilities. Logical mathematical intelligence involves the ability to think logically, reason, and solve mathematical problems. This type of intelligence was highlighted by psychologist Howard Gardner in his theory of multiple intelligences, introduced in 1983. Gardner's theory expanded the traditional view of intelligence to include different modalities. People with high logical mathematical intelligence are often skilled at problem solving, recognizing patterns, and understanding complex systems. For example, mathematicians and engineers use this type of intelligence to develop new theories and build intricate structures. Imagine a computer programmer who can quickly debug a complicated code. Their logical mathematical intelligence is at play. Historical figures like Albert Einstein and Isaac Newton are often cited as examples of individuals with exceptional logical mathematical intelligence. This intelligence also plays a crucial role in scientific discoveries and technological advancements. For instance, Ada Lovelace, the first computer programmer, used her logical mathematical intelligence to write algorithms for early computing machines. Her work laid the foundation for modern computer science. Additionally, logical mathematical intelligence is essential in fields like economics and data analysis, where understanding and interpreting complex datasets can lead to significant insights and advancements. Linguistic intelligence is the capacity to use language effectively, whether it's through speaking, writing, or understanding. Gardner also identified this type of intelligence in his theory. Those with strong linguistic intelligence excel in reading, writing, storytelling, and learning new languages. For instance, a novelist crafting a compelling story or a translator effortlessly switching between languages demonstrates this intelligence. Think of a poet who can convey deep emotions through carefully chosen words, showcasing their linguistic prowess. William Shakespeare, known for his profound impact on English literature, and translators who bridge communication gaps between cultures, are prime examples of linguistic intelligence. This intelligence is not limited to traditional literature. It also encompasses the ability to craft effective speeches and persuasive arguments. For example, Martin Luther King Jr.'s "I Have a Dream" speech is a masterpiece of linguistic intelligence, using powerful language to inspire and mobilize people for civil rights. Furthermore, linguistic intelligence is crucial in professions such as law and journalism, where precise and persuasive language can shape public opinion and bring about significant social changes. Modern-day examples include influential authors and journalists who use their linguistic skills to inform, persuade, and entertain audiences worldwide. Spatial intelligence refers to the ability to visualize and manipulate objects in space. This intelligence is essential for professions like architecture, art, and piloting, as Gardner described. Individuals with high spatial intelligence are good at understanding maps, recognizing patterns, and imagining objects from different angles. Consider a sculptor who can envision a finished piece from a block of marble, or a pilot navigating through the skies with ease. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci and modern architects like Frank Lloyd Wright exemplify spatial intelligence with their ability to create and interpret complex visual spaces. This intelligence also plays a significant role in scientific and medical fields. For example, neurosurgeons rely on spatial intelligence to navigate the complexities of the human brain during surgery. Their ability to visualize and manipulate the brain structure is crucial for successful outcomes. Similarly, astronomers use spatial intelligence to understand the vast and complex arrangement of celestial bodies. In addition, spatial intelligence is vital in fields such as urban planning and environmental design, where understanding and visualizing spatial relationships can lead to more efficient and sustainable solutions. Innovations in virtual reality and gaming also rely heavily on spatial intelligence, creating immersive experiences that captivate and engage users. Musical intelligence is the capacity to recognize, create, and appreciate musical patterns. This intelligence, another of Gardner's types, is evident in those who are skilled at playing instruments, composing music, and discerning pitch, rhythm, and timbre. Musicians, composers, and conductors typically exhibit high musical intelligence. Picture a pianist who can play complex pieces by ear, or a composer creating a symphony from scratch. Ludwig van Beethoven, despite his deafness, composed some of the most profound music in history, showcasing exceptional musical intelligence. This intelligence is also crucial for understanding and creating music in diverse cultural contexts. For example, ethnomusicologists study the music of different cultures, using their musical intelligence to appreciate and preserve traditional music. Furthermore, musical intelligence is linked to emotional expression and communication. Many people find that music can convey emotions more effectively than words, making it a powerful tool for emotional expression and connection. This intelligence is also important in therapy, where music therapists use musical activities to help individuals improve their mental health and well-being. The modern music industry, with its complex production processes and diverse genres, provides ample opportunities for individuals with high musical intelligence to thrive. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence involves the ability to use one's body skillfully for expressive or goal-directed purposes. This type of intelligence was also highlighted by Gardner and is seen in dancers, athletes, surgeons, and craftspeople who rely on precise bodily movements. For example, a gymnast performing a flawless routine or a surgeon performing a delicate operation demonstrates bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Think of a dancer who can express emotions through movement, or an athlete excelling in their sport. Michael Jordan in basketball and Mikhail Baryshnikov in ballet are renowned for their exceptional bodily kinesthetic intelligence. This intelligence also extends to hands-on skills and crafts. For example, a master carpenter uses bodily kinesthetic intelligence to create intricate furniture, and a chef uses it to prepare complex dishes. This intelligence is essential for professions that require physical precision and coordination. Additionally, bodily kinesthetic intelligence plays a significant role in everyday activities, such as driving a car or playing a musical instrument, where precise body movements are crucial. The rise of fields like physical therapy and occupational therapy further underscores the importance of this intelligence in helping individuals recover and improve their physical abilities. Furthermore, innovations in robotics and prosthetics often require a deep understanding of bodily kinesthetic principles to create devices that can mimic natural human movements. Interpersonal intelligence is the ability to understand and interact effectively with others. Gardner identified this type of intelligence, which is evident in those who are good at communicating, empathizing, and working collaboratively. Teachers, therapists, and leaders often have strong interpersonal intelligence. Imagine a counselor who can navigate complex emotional issues with their clients, or a leader who can inspire and motivate their team. Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther King Jr., known for their ability to mobilize and lead people towards social change, are exemplary figures of high interpersonal intelligence. This intelligence is also crucial in building and maintaining relationships. For example, successful business leaders often have strong interpersonal intelligence, allowing them to negotiate effectively, build strong teams, and manage conflicts. Additionally, interpersonal intelligence is vital in healthcare professions, where empathy and communication are essential for patient care. This intelligence also plays a key role in conflict resolution and diplomacy, where understanding and managing interpersonal dynamics can lead to peaceful and constructive outcomes. In education, teachers with high interpersonal intelligence can create more inclusive and supportive learning environments, fostering better academic and social outcomes for students. Moreover, in an increasingly globalized world, the ability to understand and navigate cultural differences is becoming more important, making interpersonal intelligence a critical skill for effective communication and collaboration across diverse populations. Intrapersonal intelligence is the capacity to understand oneself, including one's emotions, motivations, and inner states. This intelligence was also part of Gardner's theory and is often seen in those who are self-aware, reflective, and able to regulate their emotions effectively. Writers, philosophers, and spiritual leaders frequently exhibit strong intrapersonal intelligence. Think of a meditation teacher who can guide others in self-discovery, or a writer exploring deep personal themes in their work. Sigmund Freud, the father of psychoanalysis, used his deep understanding of human inner life to develop theories about the unconscious mind. This intelligence is essential for personal growth and self-improvement. For example, people with high intrapersonal intelligence are often good at setting and achieving personal goals, managing stress, and making decisions aligned with their values. This self-awareness also contributes to better mental health, as individuals can recognize and address their emotional needs. Intrapersonal intelligence is also important in careers that require deep introspection and self-discipline, such as artists and scientists. It helps individuals navigate their internal world, leading to greater creativity and innovation. In the field of psychology, understanding intrapersonal intelligence can aid in the development of therapies and interventions that promote self-awareness and emotional regulation. Additionally, in leadership roles, individuals with high intrapersonal intelligence can better understand their motivations and biases, leading to more ethical and effective decision-making. This intelligence is also critical for personal well-being and resilience, helping individuals navigate life's challenges and maintain a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Naturalistic intelligence is the ability to recognize and categorize plants, animals, and other aspects of nature. Added to Gardner's theory later, this type of intelligence is seen in those who are attuned to the environment and skilled in observing natural patterns. Biologists, conservationists, and gardeners often display strong naturalistic intelligence. For instance, a botanist identifying various plant species, or a farmer understanding the intricacies of crop cycles. Charles Darwin, with his keen observations of nature leading to the theory of evolution, is a quintessential example of naturalistic intelligence. This intelligence is also critical for environmental advocacy and conservation efforts. For example, environmentalists use their naturalistic intelligence to understand ecosystems, identify environmental threats, and develop strategies to protect natural resources. This intelligence fosters a deep appreciation and respect for nature, promoting sustainable practices and biodiversity conservation. Furthermore, naturalistic intelligence plays a significant role in outdoor education and ecotourism, where knowledge and appreciation of the natural world are crucial. Innovations in agriculture, such as permaculture and organic farming, also rely heavily on naturalistic intelligence to create sustainable and productive farming practices. Additionally, in the medical field, understanding naturalistic intelligence can lead to better use of medicinal plants and natural remedies. This intelligence also contributes to cultural heritage, as many traditional practices and knowledge systems are deeply rooted in an understanding of the natural environment. Each type of intelligence highlights the incredible diversity of human capabilities. By recognizing and nurturing these different intelligences, we can better appreciate each person's unique strengths and foster a more inclusive understanding of intelligence. Acknowledging this diversity allows us to create more effective educational systems, work environments, and communities where everyone's potential can be realized and celebrated. Embracing multiple intelligences can lead to more personalized learning experiences, innovative problem-solving approaches, and enriched cultural interactions, ultimately enhancing our collective human experience.